Pacquiao versus Miguel Cotto. And a big left hand! Staggers Arroyo! Arroyo goes down!
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 18, 2015, dumayo itong undefeated champion at kilabot daw na boxer sa Puerto Rico na si McJoe Arroyo para kasahan si Jerwin Ancajas, ang pretty boy ng Pinas. Para ito sa pagdipinsa ni Arroyo sa kanyang titulo na ABF World Super Flyweight title na nakuha niya nang talunin niya sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon itong ating undefeated din na kababayan na si Arthur Villanueva via technical decision. Kaya naman, napakagandang pagkakataon ito para kay Ancajas para maiganti ang unang pagkatalo ni Villanueva at makuha ang pinakaunang pandaigdigang titulo at dito sa Pinas pa mismo sa harap ng mga tagahanga niyang Pilipino. Bit-bit ng Pinoy challenger na si Ancajas dito ang record na 24 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw, 16 via KO, habang ang kampiyon na taga Puerto Rico na si McJoe Arroyo ay dala-dala ang malinis na kartada na 17 wins, 0 loss, 8 dito via knockout. Sa mismong bakbakan ay sobrang ma-aksyon na laban ang inyong masaksihan. Sa mga unang rounds, makikitang mas determinado itong Pinoy, mas ginaganahan makipaglaban sa harap ng ating mga kababayan, makikitang mas magalaw at mas maraming suntok na binibitaw.
Left hand over the top by Arroyo. At last, finally get it on. Arroyo up. Arroyo in the blue-black. Ancajas has a bit of a height advantage in the last 11 opponents, but he most likely will be trying to get in and out. It's been a pretty active first round. And a right hook and upstairs and one downstairs by Ancajas. And a right jab afterwards. Arroyo, as we stated earlier, fighter from the Philippines by the name of Mark Anthony Geraldo, who Arroyo beat 2 fights ago. And another left hand by Ancajas. This is any confidence, despite not having moved. That may not be an option, as Ancajas lands a very good right hook to the body. End of round 1.
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds ay ganun pa rin ang takbo ng laban. Mas agresibo pa rin itong si Ancajas. Gustong talunin itong kampiyon na si Arroyo at kunin ang titulo, habang itong pambato ng Puerto Rico ay tila hindi handa sa bakbakan o talagang ina-underestimate lang niya ang ating kababayan. Malimit sumuntok, yumayakap lang madalas kay Jerwin Ancajas.
It's like looking in a mirror. The angles are good for their shots. They're not stepping on each other's feet. But Ancajas is holding his own so far. In the bank with that right jab. February of this year in Puerto Rico. But when the main event bid was issued by Manny Pacquiao's MP Promotions, round number 3. I spoke to Ancajas about that, which has been devastating so far. As his best performance, which was a knockout of former It's so long. Poor Arroyo, it's so long. If we're wondering about, and Arroyo has gone 12 once, although he had fought a couple of 10-rounders before, so he's been around, and also he fought in the United States of his own. But this is exactly where Arroyo would want to fight, in close, as he lands a couple of counter punches inside, and they open up the round by trading jabs. He hangs here. Also from Fajardo, Puerto Rico, and he was sparring. Anything is, or anyone. Nice jab and a left hand after a beat. And interestingly,
Round 6, sa gitna ng palitan, nahuli ng solidong kombinasyon itong kampiyon makikitang sobrang nahilo ito, natumba. Pero rolled as no knockdown lang siya.
Found a little bit of a rhythm here, getting in and out. He's pressuring Arroyo to the ropes now. Lands a couple. Just misses with. Look at what's in front of him as Ancajas ramps up the aggression. Ortiz, Manny Pacquiao versus Miguel Cotto. And a big left hand! Staggers Arroyo! Arroyo goes down! They're rolling it, no knockdown, but Arroyo was in huge trouble there by Ancajas, and Ancajas is looking to follow up. Arroyo still doesn't seem to be 100%, although he's firing back. And another left hand by Ancajas. Arroyo is in big trouble here in round 6. It's important for Ancajas, but Ancajas has made his statements as he lands 2 more left hands over the top. But this has been a huge round for Jerwin and Ancajas. End of round 6.
Round 7, matapos mahilo ni Arroyo, ay tila nagising ang natutulog niyang espiritu. Nagiging mas agresibo ito. Bumabato ng mabibigat yung mga kamao. Pero sa gitna ng palitan nila, sa mga huling segundo ng 7th round, huli na naman si Arroyo. Naalog at nahilo. Buti na lang na save by the bell pa ito.
Punches aren't as straight as they might have been. Unusual angle. The issue of boxing is that you could have 10 people watching the same fight and they see 10 different top. Comes in with a combination. Ancajas shoe shines. He's at least not yet ready to go. And Arroyo may have been hurt by a body shot at the end of the 7th.
Round 8, mas uminit na ang laban. Mas nagpapalitan na ng mga kamao ang magkabilang kampo. Pero sa mga huling minuto, huli na naman itong kilabot ng Puerto Rico at bagsak ito. Pero bumangon pa at pilit nakipagsabayan sa bakbakan.
It's interesting so far has not done much to Ancajas, which was one of the few things that Arroyo gets backed up to the ropes and Ancajas let's go with a right hook there. Arroyo and another one really deserved the decision July of 2015. Oh, it was a nice left hand to the body and out of the ring. Down goes Arroyo. Down goes Arroyo. That is a 10-8 round for the Filipino challenger, which hurt Arroyo, and another one landed.
Ilang beses pang naalog itong kampiyon na si Arroyo. Bumagsak pa ito pero hindi binilangan ng referee dahil nadulas lang daw ang nangyari.
And a nice lever in left by Ancajas again rocks Arroyo along the ropes. Ancajas is sending a statement of his own here. Ancajas still has to be careful here. He doesn't want to walk into a shot. Arroyo is a cagey bit there. And a right hook by Ancajas. A right hook inside by Arroyo. I'm sorry, Ancajas. And a right jab leaving that had good night written all over it. Ancajas may be hurt. Arroyo may be hurt to the body again. Arroyo was hurt to the body again. Body. Knowing exactly where his opponent is vulnerable. Many may have wondered if Ancajas would be the guy who would run out of steam first, and down goes Arroyo again! They're ruling it not a knockdown, even though a left hand, that could have been another knockdown there. As Arroyo tries to back away, he's hurt again! He's hurt again! Arroyo's in huge trouble! Arroyo is in huge trouble here. Saved by the bell once again. Compromised to the body by the heavy shots from Arroyo, and then he just lands a right hook on Arroyo's mouth. And another left hand stops Arroyo's attack. Ancajas lands an overhand left. Arroyo counters with his Arroyo. But Ancajas has shown no signs that he's ready to slow down. From an Arroyo flurry there. Although Arroyo lands a nice overhand left there and follows it up with a right. 2 rounds left to go. How much does Arroyo have left. Nice little uppercut there inside. Have Arroyo being the aggressor here. And there was a nice overhand left by Ancajas, and Arroyo comes right back. Arroyo is doing everything he can to try and hold on to his world. He had been offered a big money fight to fight Kalaban in England. And I think he would want to hold on to his championship to earn those paid after those punches, but doesn't want to seem like he's holding on. Veteran move.
Sa mga huling round, makikitang parehong pagod na ang dalawa. Panayakap na rin sila, pero talagang lumalaban pa.
The kind of visual single round he can get. Ancajas is fighting like a champion. So is Arroyo. This is going to be the longest 3 minutes of both of their careers. But here we are in the 12th round. Two proud and talented, and it's still on the table. Maybe Arroyo a bit more tired. As Ancajas, and it all depends on, as we have about a minute left in the fight here. Ancajas performance from Jerwin Ancajas as Arroyo slips and slides across the ring.
Umabot sila sa schedule 12 rounds na salpukan at sa desisyon ng tatlong hurado ay panalo ang challenger na si Jerwin Pretty Boy Ancajas dito via unanimous decision. Nakuha niya ang kauna-unahang titulo habang itong kampiyon na si McJoe Arroyo ay nalasap naman ang pinakaunang pagkatalo.
Jerwin Ancajas has done it!
Tagumpay na naresbakan ni Jerwin Ancajas ang pinakaunang nagbansya sa kartada ni King Arthur Villanueva.
And he is the new IBF Junior Bantamweight Champion of the world.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.